guys. So today we're gonna be making a project called Time for Some Nectar. So in code.org. So let's begin. So the first thing that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be getting our background. For those of you new viewers, this is what we do as a routine every time we do a project. So we want a park view. So there you go. Now we have to make the sprites. So we're gonna make 4 bees. So yeah, and then that other one will go there. Second bee, make new sprite, and then third bee. Let's see, where is it? And last bee is right here. So we're gonna be placing these 4 bees in the 4 corners of the play area. So first bee over there, second bee over here, third bee around here, fourth bee right over here. So now we have to program all of these to tell them to do what we actually want them to do. So we're gonna do the when up pressed to make the bees wander. So when up pressed, we're gonna go into behaviors and do sprite begins. And the bee begins wandering. So as you can see, wandering, and we're gonna add something a little cooler to it. So what we're gonna do is when up pressed, we are actually gonna make this so much more exciting by adding just a little something that you're about to see right here. So when up pressed, repeat 5 times. 5 times. And what we want it to do is we are going to tell it to print. Watch out. Watch out. The bees are ready for some nectar. Are ready for some nectar. You know what? Just make that a little glass. Like that. And let's just try and see what happens. As you can see, what we have just done is we have made text a part of our code. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna make this even more exciting by using something called, you probably guessed it by now, we're gonna use something called world. In world, we're gonna choose a police sound. So what we want to do is alerts. So let's see. We're gonna choose this. Let's see what's gonna happen now. As you can see, just to make it just a little more exciting, this is gonna be our last thing for today. But just to make it slightly more, even more exciting, we're just gonna add another sound. So it's gonna be another alert, and it's gonna be this one. So choose that, and then let's go run. So what we want to do is, as you can see, that was just a mistake because now they're both playing at the same time. So we want when down, press this, please. So go. As you can see, we have completed this project as well now. So hope you like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you later, and bye.